Hi everybody, it's Strawberry, and in today's video, I'm going to be making a K-pop journal spread for Monsta X's song Love Killa. So I'm pretty excited because this is my first Monsta X spread and my first Monsta X video, I'm pretty sure. I've liked Monsta X for a while. One of my close friends stans, and so she would send me stuff sometimes, and if I'm being 100% honest, I don't always like their songs, but there have been a couple of their songs that I like really loved, and I really like them as people. I think they're really funny and really sweet and cute. But I think before I was always like so behind on spreads for my ults that I didn't have time always to make spreads for other songs that I liked. So now that I'm like super caught up, I'm glad that I have the opportunity to make spreads like this because I did really love this music video. I thought the concept was really cool. I love the aesthetic and the song is really fun. I think the other Monsta X songs that I were like super into were Fantasia and Who Do You Love, but I never got around to making spreads for those. Maybe I will someday. But yeah, so I'm really excited to share this one. That piece of ripped red paper is actually the other side of the ripped red paper I used in the I Can't Stop Me video, if you watch that one. So we love reusing things. So I really wanted to use this cutout of Juhan, but the top of his head is like cut, like it's flat because it wasn't fully in the screen. So I decided to go with this sort of look where I kind of overlap these different rectangles different ways. So like he's overlapping the one and then the ones on top are overlapping him, which seems like a really cool style choice, but it's actually just so that I could cover up the fact that his head was flat there. Also, this lettering, I literally just completely was winging it. Sometimes I just totally wing lettering and don't plan it out at all, and it turns out really cool, and other times I'll like painstakingly sketch lettering out and it ends up horrible. You just never know, honestly, but I thought it turned out really cool. You see how I really smoothly turned that mistake around? I like accidentally wrote the question mark instead of an S, and then I had to turn the question mark into an S, but nobody will ever know. Well, you guys know. So halfway through writing, I realized that I forgot to add IM's line that I really wanted to put on here. I kind of think he's my bias. I don't know. Usually with groups that I like, it's like instantaneous who my bias is. Like I know right away. But with Monsta X, it's like constantly changing. Like when I first started listening to them a little bit, I really was into Wonho, and then I started getting into Hungwon, and now I kind of think it's IM. I don't know. Maybe it's everybody. So here is a look at the final spread. I really like how this turned out. I'm excited that I got to do a Monsta X spread. I think it's pretty simple, but in a good way. So yeah, I really like it. If you guys like the spread and you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!